In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to update your site title easily. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Once you're on your site, click Edit Site. This switches you into the visual editor so you can make changes and see them in real time. If the Pages panel opens on the left, that's perfect. It helps you choose which page you're previewing as you edit. Select any page you'd like to use as your preview. Then make sure you're actively editing the page canvas by choosing Edit if prompted. Move your cursor over the header area at the top of the page. You'll see an option called Edit Site Header. Click that to open the header settings. In the header editor, look for the site title. It may appear as the text name of your site near the logo area or in the left side of the header. Click the existing title to highlight it, then type your new site name exactly the way you want it to appear. A quick tip: keep your title short, clear, and easy to read. Consistent capitalization looks more polished, and avoiding special characters helps prevent odd line breaks on smaller screens. If you've previously uploaded a logo, your site title might be hidden on some layouts. That's normal and depends on your design choice. You can still update the title for use in places like the Browser tab and search results. When you're happy with the new title, click Save in the header editor to commit your changes. Then click Exit to return to the main view and confirm everything looks right. Now, some templates and header configurations use variations, like different headers on specific pages or a transparent header that becomes solid on scroll. To make sure the updated title is consistent across those variations, go back into Edit, open Edit Site Header again, click the title field to highlight it, and retype or confirm the same title. This second pass ensures your change appears everywhere it should. When finished, hit Save one more time. That's it. You've updated your site title across your Squarespace header. As a final check, view your site on mobile to make sure the title wraps nicely and remains legible. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh your browser or clear your cache. Remember, the site title can also influence what appears in the Browser tab, unless you've customized SEO titles separately. With these quick